Let's create a UV sphere. Type G, Z, and 1 to move the mesh 1 unit up on the Z axis. Type S and 1.5 to scale it 1.5 times. Boolean difference is what we need. Tab to go to edit mode, and 3 to face select. Let's remove the side and the bottom faces. Let's add a gradient material as usual. Time to add 2 array modifiers. Control 3 to subdivide. Let's set up and render the scene. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. Let's turn off Use Nodes under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.